Hi guys, welcome to Finance Chanakya. This is UTCS. Today we are going to learn about Vega and how it measures option sensitivity. So let's get started. Coming to Vega, Vega measures the sensitivity of option price changes to the volatility. Volatility means sigma, there is a standard deviation. Um so let me take the pointer. So Vega is equal to change in call price divided by change in our volatility. So for European calls, it is calculated by for non-dividend paying, it is calculated by stock price into n dash d1 into root t. So root is time in years. So options are more sensitive when the volatility is at the money, deep at the out of the money, and deep in the money options have little sensitivity to changes in volatility. That is Vega is close to zero. That is being explained in this graph, as it is deep out of the money and deep in the money. That means stock price increases abruptly or stock price decreases. The Vega is almost zero. So when there is a fluctuation in the price, the Vega goes up, and there is a spike in Vega here. So that is being explained here. So we'll explain this using an example. Let me take an example. So suppose the stock XYZ is trading at 50, exercise price 45, call option exercise price 45, expires in 3 months. So 3 by 12 0.25, risk free rate is 5% and standard deviation 12%. Determine the call option Vega. Assume D1 is equal to 1.99 and D1 is equal to 0.9767. So we should understand it is not ND1, it is N dash D1. Calculating N dash D1 using ND1 is 1 by root 2 pi into e raised to minus a nd, not nd1, it is only d1 square divided by 2, the whole is equal to 0.055. so substituting n dash d1 in this equation, stock price 50 into 0.055 into root of 3 by 12, it gives 1.375. The interpretation of the value is that 1% increase in volatility of the option. The value of the option shall change approximately by 0.01 into 1.375. So that is a interpretation of this thing. So this is what we need to learn. What is the interpretation when 1% change in volatility happens? So the value of swap option will increase by how much percentage is the question. So that is 0.01, that is 1% into 1.375, that is the Vega, which gives 0.01375. So that's how we interpret Vega. So moving, so that's all in Vega here. Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, comment. Thank you, thanks for watching.